started school? Starting school means that you bring more and more stationery. And finally, when all your stationery is messed up, you decide that you need something to organize it. I got an idea from a video and I'm going to show you how to make it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cat stationery holder. You can make any animal of your choice. But because cat is my favorite pet, I'm making a cat pencil holder. This is what you need. You need 4 toilet paper rolls, some colored paper, glue stick, black marker, scissors, and some paper clips. Let's begin. First, cut 4 pieces of yellow paper for 4 toilet paper rolls. Glue to the rolls. Use clothespin if you wish to keep the paper glued down until dry. Do this for all the paper rolls. Do this for all the paper rolls. Now the rolls are ready. Now, draw the face, eyes, tail and legs of the cat. Now the body parts are ready. Cut thin strips for the whiskers of the cat. Glue together the cat head pieces and draw the mouth with a marker. Glue the paper rolls together and use pegs to hold them in place. Glue the head on top of the first roll. Next, glue legs on the second and last roll. Later, stick the tail at the back of the last roll. circles and glue them to the bottom of the body part. Now glue the pencil holder and stick it. Ugh, this glue stick has made my fingers sticky. That's it now. Here we go. The pencil holder is ready.